Welcome. If you're tired of getting push notifications every time someone mentions you on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily prevent push notifications for mentions on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest update. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled Settings. This is where you can control all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Click on it to open up all your notification settings. This section lets you customize exactly what Pinterest notifies you about. Now, look for the option that says Mentions at Pins you saved. This setting controls whether you receive push notifications when someone mentions you on a pin you've saved. To stop these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to push to the off position. It should change color or move to indicate that push notifications are now disabled for mentions. Before you leave, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your changes won't be applied, and you'll keep getting those notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off push notifications for mentions on Pinterest. Now, you can enjoy browsing and pinning without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.